Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now I'm going to take you through heat pressing our UltraColour Metallic. That's our full color UltraColour transfers, as these ones right here, which have that metallic sort of shimmer to them. Really cool for designs like, you know, car designs and things like that. This one here, which obviously it's making those lighter colors come through, really sort of shimmer. Really cool effect if you can get it right. What we've done is we've actually backed the transfer with a silver metallic ink, which makes all of your CMYK, all of the full color digital sort of give that shimmer sort of pearlescent sort of look to it, a bit like you would with a pearlescent or a shimmer in a car paint, that sort of thing. Guys, the way that we heat press this is exactly the same as our UltraColour hot peel, okay? All pressed, peeled within 4 seconds, 150 degrees, 10 seconds, moderate to firm pressure. All right, so I'm gonna do 2 of these. Here, I'll do the first one right here. Okay, we're just doing it on the right chest of this shirt here. Easy, pull it down, done. 10 seconds, like I said. I've got a pressure setting of 6 on this. Even if it was 7, I'd be no problems whatsoever, but I do want a moderate firm pressure for all UltraColour. Okay, that pops up, and within 4 seconds, so 2, 3, 4, peel, okay? And as you can see there, that was a really nice sort of solid peel, straight through in one movement, a bit like peeling a Band-Aid, okay? I'll show you that again. So here's our second one, exactly the same. These transfers here, UltraColour Metallic, have the same glue on it as all of our other UltraColour transfers. So application, time, temp, pressure is all exactly the same, and the release coating is exactly the same. So that plastic liner that we're peeling off, exactly the same as our normal UltraColour transfers. Okay, so we'll just line it up there on the left chest. Okay, peeling it down. Again, doing 10 seconds. And I want to peel within the 4 seconds. So if I want to count that in, it's popped up. So it's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4. Okay, and you can see when I've peeled it on that 4th, peeled really easy. My technique was to grab the corner and roll it back across itself, okay? I didn't lift the transfer up, I peeled it back across itself like this. And should be nice and easy, should just peel away like butter. You shouldn't have any grabbiness or anything like that. Guys, any questions, shoot us an email, give us a call. That's our UltraColour Metallic and how to get the best application.